So lots of DMs regarding pumping and giving breast milk. So let me tell you, both are excellent. Choose whatever works best for you, but combination is what works best for most of the moms. So let me give you the cons of pumping as compared to direct breastfeeding. Number one is no benefit of feedback loop. Remember demand and supply, which I spoke about in my last video. So if the baby wants more, the baby gets more milk, less if the baby is less hungry. So when the baby is sucking directly at the breast, the baby decides how much he wants as compared to pumping and giving through the bottle milk when you're giving the fixed amount to the baby. So this feedback loop does not work when you are pumping and giving the express milk, and somehow direct breastfeeding, it helps in developing a healthy relationship with the feeding, and a long-term milk supply is better with direct breastfeeding as compared to the pumping. Number two, expressed breast milk may not be time appropriate for the baby. So at the night, the breast milk which he or she gets has more of melatonin, which helps the baby to sleep. While when you're giving a stored milk, you're not aware whether it is a night feed or a morning feed. I remember my consultant saying that when you feed directly, it is like a platter to the baby. अगर आपने छोला भटूरा खाया तो बच्चे को भी उस छोले भटूरे का टेस्ट आएगा ब्रेस्ट मिल्क में, और अगर आपने राजमा चावल खाए तो उसको राजमा चावल का टेस्ट आएगा. Number 3, fewer immune benefits. Now the oral secretions of the baby, they interact with the mother's milk, and this helps in the formation of protective antibodies which are specific to the baby at that point of time. So if the baby is suffering from some cough and cold, the mother immune system develops antibodies against that and helps the baby in fighting with the infection. While this cannot happen when you're giving the expressed breast milk. And last but not the least, obviously, when you're pumping, it turns out to be expensive. You need to buy bottles, then you need to know about the storage, and you have to be very particular about the infection control and the storage conditions. So mummies, please make an informed choice. Whatever works best for you, no right and wrong. Both requires a lot of commitment and have their own pros and cons. Bye-bye.